Levi's jeans are one of the most iconic and enduring pieces of clothing in the world, with a history that dates back to the late 19th century. The process of making a pair of Levi's jeans is a complex journey that involves multiple stages, from harvesting the raw cotton to the final stitching and finishing touches. Each step requires precision, craftsmanship, and attention to detail to ensure the durability and quality that Levi's is known for. Understanding how these jeans are made provides insight into the labor, technology, and tradition that go into every pair. The journey of Levi's jeans begins with the cultivation of cotton, the primary material used in denim fabric. Cotton is a natural fiber that grows in warm climates, and the quality of the cotton greatly influences the final product. The cotton used in Levi's jeans is typically sourced from farms in countries like the United States, India, and China, where conditions are ideal for growing high-quality cotton. The process starts with planting cotton seeds in well-prepared soil. Over several months, the plants grow and produce fluffy white bolls, which contain the cotton fibers. When the bolls mature, they are harvested either by hand or by machine. Hand picking is gentler on the fibers and reduces contamination, but mechanical harvesting is faster and more cost-effective for large-scale production. Once harvested, the cotton is ginned to separate the fibers from the seeds and other plant debris. The cleaned cotton fibers are then compressed into bales and transported to textile mills for further processing. At the textile mill, the cotton undergoes several steps to transform it into yarn. The first step is carding, where the cotton fibers are untangled and aligned into a loose strand called a sliver. This process helps remove any remaining impurities and ensures uniformity in the fibers. The sliver is then drawn out and twisted to create a thinner, stronger strand known as roving. The roving is then spun into yarn using spinning machines. The spinning process twists the fibers tightly together, giving the yarn its strength. For denim fabric, the yarn is typically spun in a way that creates a rugged, durable texture. The yarn may also be treated with chemicals or dyes at this stage, depending on the desired characteristics of the final fabric. Once the yarn is ready, it is woven into denim fabric. Denim is a sturdy cotton twill fabric characterized by its diagonal ribbing, which is created by weaving the weft yarn under 2 or more warp yarns. Traditionally, denim is woven with indigo-dyed warp yarns and undyed weft yarns, giving it the classic blue color on the outside and white on the inside. The weaving process takes place on large industrial looms, which interlace the yarns at high speed to produce long rolls of denim fabric. The quality of the weave affects the weight and durability of the denim, with heavier weights being used for rugged workwear and lighter weights for more comfortable, everyday jeans. After weaving, the denim may undergo additional treatments such as sanforization, a process that pre-shrinks the fabric to prevent further shrinkage after washing. With the denim fabric ready, the next stage is cutting and sewing the jeans. The process begins with pattern making, where large paper or digital templates are used to outline the shapes of the jeans components, such as the front and back panels, pockets, and waistband. These patterns are carefully designed to maximize fabric efficiency and ensure consistency in sizing. The denim fabric is then laid out in multiple layers, and the patterns are placed on top. Using cutting machines or hand-cut methods, the fabric is precisely cut into the required pieces. Once cut, the pieces are bundled and sent to sewing stations, where skilled workers assemble them into jeans. The sewing process involves multiple steps, including stitching the seams, attaching pockets, and reinforcing stress points with rivets or bar tacks. Levi's jeans are known for their sturdy construction, and many of the original design elements, such as the double-stitched seams and copper rivets, are still used today to enhance durability. After the jeans are sewn together, they undergo a series of finishing processes to achieve the desired look and feel. One of the most important steps is washing and distressing. Newly sewn jeans are typically stiff and dark blue, so washing helps soften the fabric and create variations in color. There are several techniques used to achieve different finishes, such as stone washing, where the jeans are tumbled with pumice stones to create a worn-in appearance, or enzyme washing, which uses organic agents to break down the fibers for a softer feel. Sandblasting, laser etching, and hand scraping are other methods used to create distressed or faded effects. Each pair of jeans may go through multiple washes and treatments to achieve the exact style requested by the design team. Additionally, buttons, zippers, and labels are attached during the finishing process. Quality control is a critical part of making Levi's jeans. At every stage of production, from fabric inspection to final assembly, the jeans are checked for defects or inconsistencies. Inspectors examine the stitching, seams, and overall construction to ensure they meet Levi's high standards. Any flawed jeans are either repaired or discarded to maintain quality. Once approved, the jeans are pressed, folded, and packaged for distribution. They are then shipped to retailers around the world, ready to be sold to consumers. The production of Levi's jeans is not just about manufacturing a product. It also involves considerations of sustainability and ethical practices. In recent years, Levi's has made efforts to reduce its environmental impact by implementing water-saving techniques in the dyeing and finishing processes. For example, the company has developed innovative methods like waterless technology, which significantly reduces water usage in denim production. Additionally, Levi's has committed to using more sustainable cotton, such as organic or recycled cotton, to decrease reliance on conventional farming practices that may involve heavy pesticide use. The company also promotes fair labour practices by working with suppliers who adhere to strict ethical guidelines, ensuring safe working conditions and fair wages for factory workers. The story of Levi's jeans is a blend of tradition and innovation. While the basic process of making denim has remained relatively unchanged for over a century, advancements in technology and shifts in consumer demand have led to new techniques and styles. From the fields where cotton is grown to the factories where denim is cut and sewn, each step in the production of Levi's jeans reflects a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Whether it's the classic 501s or modern stretch denim, every pair carries with it a legacy of durability, style, and cultural significance. Understanding how these jeans are made not only deepens appreciation for the product, but also highlights the intricate relationship between agriculture, industry, and fashion. Levi's jeans are more than just clothing. They are a testament to the skill and effort that go into creating a timeless piece of